Hey YouTube, this is Charlie guys, and today guys I'm going to show you guys how to get an APK app on your Android TV, and I also have a video to show you how to do it because it's a little bit different on the Fire Stick, so check below for that one also. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go down into your settings and you want to make sure you want to go into your security and restrictions in there. And you want to make sure that your unknown sources is turned on. Then you want to go back in. Let's just run over to the Google Play Store. Click in the search and let's just type in. We're gonna download an app called Puffin TV. So it's called Puffin TV. It's a web browser, that's what we're gonna use. That's the best web browser I've found so far to use to download, to sideload apps. So you want to click on that and you want to install it. So guys, while that is installing, you can also go back and download another app just to make sure that you retrieve that download, because sometimes it doesn't open as an APK. So you want to go in there and you want to download ES File Explorer. ES File Explorer, and you're going to come up here and you're going to install it, and I already have it installed. So when your Puffin TV browser is downloaded, you're going to open it up. Guys, this is really easy. If you're using the Fire Stick, you're just gonna download the download app. It's called download app, and that's what you're gonna use to do exactly what I'm doing here right now. So we're gonna open the Puffin TV. There's a bunch of different websites there if you want to browse in there and check it out, but we don't have to. We're gonna go up to the search. We're gonna click on search, and right in there we're gonna type in. So you're gonna type in Terrarium TV, Terrarium TV, or whatever they wanna call this, and you're gonna click search, and it's gonna bring you up right here. And the beauty of this is because the reason why we're using this is because you can see, you can use your, see right here, you can move that around wherever you want. So we go down to this one right here. Terrarium TV, free 1080p movies. You're gonna go down again, just go down over it. It should highlight it, or just click on it and it's gonna ask you, you're gonna say allow, gonna start downloading. And the reason why we download the ES File Explorer is because when you download it, it doesn't automatically open it. So that's why from here it should be done downloading. So we want to go and then go into ES File Explorer. It's going to open up. So we're going to look for the app. We're going to look for it. So it's not in there. So we're going to go up. Guys, we're going to go to open this up. We're gonna put all APK, and here it is up there. So we're gonna click on that, and we're gonna install it. Click install again, and we're installing Terrarium TV, guys. Really cool, nice interface as you will see. It's finished installing. We're gonna click open. When you open it, it's gonna ask you if you want to use. When you open it, it's gonna ask you all those questions. Allow if you want to. Which player you want to use. You can use VLC or MX, whichever one. Choose either one. I'm just gonna say this one. Click OK, accept, and there we go, guys. Nice interface. All your TV shows is gonna be here. Click at the end here, you can go into movies, click all your movies. We can go in there. Let's just say we want to try Interstellar. You're gonna click on that. Don't show this again. Whenever you go to different sections, it's gonna ask you this once, and you can just say don't show this again. You can go to the top. Play button is all the way up to the top, so you can click play. Let's see if the player will show up. If the player doesn't show up, you can also go in the Play Store and download the VLC player. So it's getting the movie. And guys, it's simple as that. And you can click play. So it's saying that it doesn't have the player, which is what, so you're gonna have to install the player. So it will go to the Play Store automatically, and it will go to the Play Store, find it for you, and you're gonna install it. If this one doesn't work for you on the Fire Stick, you might have to go into the settings and change the player if you choose to. So the player is installed. You want to go back home. Go into your Terrarium TV. It's going to open up again. Find something to play again. Let's say you're going to play Ray Donovan. Season 5. Click season 5. It's gonna show this just once in that section. Season 5, episode 1. You go up all the way up to the top. You click play, and this time it should play it because you now have your player installed. Click play. Click play. And the video will start in a few seconds, guys. Guys, this is it. This is Allow MX Player. And you have all your controls, everything you need on there. Here you go, guys. Play it nice and clean, HD. Pretty good. So here we go, guys. Play it nice and clean. Try it out. This is Charlie. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.